Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So in our last class, what did we learn? Can you remember, children? We learned about much and more. When to use much and when to use more. And so in this class, we're going to learn about simple past tense. And if we're present in the last class, remember I said in this class, we will learn about simple past tense. When to use the past tense. So we're going to learn it in this class. Are you ready for today's class, children? Good job, children. So now, before we start to fill in the blank spaces, what do we do first? We understand what does it mean when you use the past tense or when to use the past tense. So we're going to explain it now. So past tense is a form of verbs used to describe actions or events that have already happened. It helps us to talk about completed activities, experiences, or situations that occurred in the past, often using words like yesterday, last week, or ago. So this is the meaning or the explanation of past tense. So let us write it down. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. So it is a form of verbs used to describe actions or events that have already happened. Do you see that, children? So we use past tense for the past. What do we do again in our class before we start our activities for the day? We read the instructions. So let's read it together. Complete the sentences with the simple past tense. So in each of the sentences, if you see, in each of the sentences, I wrote the present tense, and so we're going to turn it into the past tense. So we're going to learn how to use the past tense for each sentence. Do you understand, children? Okay, so let's start. Yesterday I dash with my friend. So yesterday this is play here. So yesterday I played with my friend. When we say words like yesterday, last week, or ago, we are referring to the past. So when we say yesterday, when we say last week, last month, last year, or ago, like some minutes ago, some hours ago, some centuries ago. So all these are words we use when we are referring to the past. And so when we say yesterday, this is the past. So yesterday I played with my friend. I played played with my friend. So the past tense of play is what? Played. I played with my friend. She dash an apple for lunch. So for lunch has passed, and so what did she eat for lunch? She ate an apple for lunch. She ate an apple for lunch. She ate an apple for lunch. We dashed to the park last Sunday. So last Sunday, where did we go? We went to the park last Sunday. Went is the past tense of go. So we went to the park last Sunday. He dashed a big dog. What did he see? He saw a big dog. He saw a big dog. He saw a big dog. So saw is the past tense of see. When we want to ask the question, we'll say, what did he see? Then the response is, he saw a big dog. They dash a nice song. They dash a nice song. So what did they sing? They sang a nice song. So sang is the past tense of sing. Sang. So sang. Sang, sing. So sing is present. Sang is past tense. I dash read a storybook. I read a storybook. Read is the present tense, read is the past tense, but we spell it the same way. We spell read and read in exactly the same way. So I read a storybook. Mom dash cook rice for dinner. Mom cooked rice for dinner. So if you come home from school or you want to ask your brother what mom cooked for dinner, you say it in the present tense. But when your brother responds to your question, he will respond in the past tense. Mom cooked rice for dinner. So we're going to write cooked. Cooked. You see that? The cats dash run very fast. So run is the present tense. So what is the past tense of run? The cat ran very fast. The cat ran very fast. So we're going to say the cat ran very fast. Dad dash drive the car to school. Dad. What is the past tense of drive? The past tense of drive is drove. Dad drove the car to school. Dad drove the car to school. We dash watch a cartoon yesterday. The past tense of watch is what? Watched. We watched a cartoon yesterday. We watched a cartoon yesterday. My brother dash draw a picture. My brother. So what is the past tense of draw? The past tense of draw is drew. My brother drew a picture. My brother drew a picture. The baby dash sleep all night. The baby slept all night. Slept is the past tense of sleep. So the baby slept all night. The baby slept all night. I dash write a letter to my friend. I wrote a letter to my friend. I wrote a letter because wrote is the past tense of write. So when we say I write now, but in the past I wrote. So I wrote a letter to my friend. I wrote a letter to my friend. She dash dance at the party. So the past tense of dance will be what? Children, can you say it? Let's say it together. So we're going to read the sentence and then we're going to say the past tense of dance in the sentence as we read. So now let's start. She danced at the party. That's good. You did great. She danced. Yes, that's the past tense of dance. The past tense of dance is danced. We dash play football in the evening. So we have learned about play and played. We played football in the evening. So that's the past tense of play is played. Children, you're doing amazing. Great job. You're doing amazing. Great job. He dashed buy a new toy. He bought a new toy. He bought Mom dash clean the house. So we're going to learn about the past tense of clean. So what are we going to say? Mom cleaned their house. Mom cleaned their house because cleaned is the past tense of clean. They dash swim in the pool. The past tense of swim is what? Swam. They swam in the pool. Swam is the past tense of swim. I dash help Dad in the garden. I helped Dad in the garden. So the past tense of help is helped. I helped Dad in the garden. I helped Dad in the garden. So the last one is she dash listened to music yesterday. She listened. Good job, children. She listened to music yesterday because listened is the past tense of listen. So she listened. Good job. So let's write listened. Good job, children. Listened to music yesterday. Wow, we have come to the end of the class. We have finished all the activities we had for today, and we have learned how to use our present tense and our past tense. And so that's what we did today. We learned how to use past tense to form simple sentences, and I hope you did enjoy this class because we've come to the end of it, and I hope to see you in the next class where we're going to do something exciting, learn about new words, how to construct sentences, and how to use them. So hope to catch you in the next class. Remember, you're smart, you're beautiful, you're amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next class. Bye.